विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही इन्स्क्राइब अँगल थेरम अँड करोलरीज ऑफ इन्स्क्राइब अँगल थेरम शिकलात. आज आपण पेज नंबर 68 अँड 69 वरचे काही थेरम्स बघणार आहोत. पेज नंबर 68 वर फर्स्ट कन्सेप्ट आहे डेफिनेशन सायक्लिक क्वाड्रिलॅटरल. Cyclic quadrilateral means what? If all the vertices of a quadrilateral is lie on a circle, then that quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. This is a definition of cyclic quadrilateral. If all vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. In figure, here I draw the circle. Point A, B, C, D lie on a circle. Therefore, this quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Means quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Again, if more than 4 points or 3, 4 points, 5 points are lie on a circle, then these points are called concyclic points. Now next you study the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. This theorem is very important. हा थेरम अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आहे. बऱ्याचदा हा परीक्षेत विचारला जातो. ॲक्टिव्हिटी वेसमध्ये सुद्धा विचारला जाऊ शकतो किंवा डायरेक्ट प्रूव्ह दॅट म्हणून सुद्धा विचारला जाऊ शकतो. सगळ्यांनी नीट लक्ष द्यायचं. बघूया. स्टेटमेंट आहे opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेस मध्ये दिलाय म्हणून मी तसंच घेतलाय. फ्रॉम द गिवन स्टेटमेंट आय ड्रॉ द सर्कल. quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore I write given quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove opposite angles are supplementary. In figure, angle D and angle B are the opposite angles. These are the opposite angles. Angle B, angle D. And these angles are supplementary. Means angle B, angle D are supplementary. Means sum of angle B plus angle D means angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, opposite angles, angle B plus angle D 180 supplementary. Now, next pair is angle A and angle C. Means I write here angle A plus angle C. This is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Now, proof. Here angle ADC is an inscribed angle in an arc ADC and its intercepted arc is arc ABC. Angle ADC is an inscribed angle in an arc ADC and its intercepted arc is this arc ABC. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem, I write here angle ADC is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc ABC. Measure of arc ABC. Equation first by inscribed angle theorem. Now, next similarly, angle ABC, this angle ABC is inscribed angle. Angle ABC is inscribed angle in the arc ABC and its intercepted arc is arc ADC. Therefore, I write it similarly. Angle ABC is an inscribed angle. Its intercepted arc is arc ADC. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem, measure of this angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc ADC, equation 2 by inscribe angle theorem. Name equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2 by adding equation 1 and 2. LHS plus LHS, angle ADC plus angle ABC. This is equal to RHS plus RHS of equation first, 1/2 measure of arc ABC, 1/2 measure of arc ABC plus 1/2 measure of arc ADC, RHS of equation 2, this one, from 1 and 2. This is equal to, here 1/2 is common factor, in bracket what remain, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc ADC. In figure, arc ABC plus arc ADC means complete circle, and you know the measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Therefore I write here this is equal to 1/2 into sum of both arcs 360 degree. Measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Now simplify it, 360 degree divided by 2 means 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, or by sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We also prove by that property. Now next is corollary of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. What is that? An exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent interior angle. Therefore, first I draw the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD and the exterior angle. Here quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and angle DCE is exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. What to prove here? Angle, which angle? An exterior angle, this angle, angle DCE, angle DC, an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, this one is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent interior angle. Angle DCE exterior angle, its adjacent interior angle is angle BCD, angle BCD, its opposite angle is this, angle BAD. Means what to prove here? Angle DCE congruent angle BAD. Proof. In figure, angle DCE and angle DCB, angle DCE and DCB are the linear pair angles, and you know the sum of linear pair angle is 180 degree. Therefore I write here angle DCE plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Equation first, linear pair angles. Now quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic, this is given. Therefore, by theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, what is the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral? You just studied that the opposite angles are supplementary. Means angle BAD, I take opposite angle A and C. Angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Equation 2. In equation 1, from equation 1 and 2, RHS are equal 180 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, LHS are also equal. I write from equation 1 and 2. Angle DCE plus angle BCD, this is equal to angle BAD plus angle BCD from 1 and 2. Here angle BCD both side same, hence this cancelled. What remain? Angle DCE is equal to angle BAD by eliminating angle BCD. Angles are equal, therefore these angles are congruent. Angle DCE congruent to angle BAD. Hence the theorem is proved.